This is the object. When we project the number, of course, a number will be giving us a data. So the data will be mapped like this on a 2-dimension sheet. And this 2-dimension sheet provides a data which allows us to make predictions about the information on the object that we are going to construct. Then, using this data, we will construct this object first. And in the process of constructing the object, we will know in details how much is here, how much is there. In all these areas I put in colors, you will know how much information is located in. And when we will throw this object to the black hole, then it will appear. The data here will be mapped on the surface of the black hole like this. So what you see here, this diagram here, is the real map that we are going to see on the surface of the black hole. Please note that this map here, the 2-dimension map, and this map are the same, in a sense that they work as one. They work as one. However, here we will have values, of course. After mapping our information, we have several values here. But these values will not be the one to appear again here. Because in here, the information comes from a 3-dimension object already. The object here is 3-dimension. Therefore, when the information will be mapped on the surface of the black hole, it will be in 3 dimensions, not in 2 dimensions. Please note that we are trying to make some clarification about what you have learned already about the holographic principle. And this is taking new ideas, because here we have the source. This is the source of the whole information. This data here is compact. You see, there is no space between the bits, if I can call them bits. These cells, they have no space between them. But when it goes to the black hole, now we have space between. So a door opens to a new area. So here we can see through. Here we can't see through. On this map here, we can see through. Then we can go in. And this is the black hole we are talking about. We can go inside the black hole, because this is a door has been opened for us to go and dig inside. Then we will go there step after step, step after step. So we will have this kind. When we go in, of course, this door is open. At the beginning, the door is so big. I call the door this white, in white here. These cells in white. When we go in, then it's at first it starts bigger. Then when we go in, it will get smaller and smaller, as you see here, smaller and smaller, until at the end we reach only one bit. And in order to do so, we have to know the formula that was able to produce this three-dimension data. And this one will lead us to going inside the black hole. And here we have to go step by step, because numbers do not jump. So you cannot go here. If you count very well, we have how many bits of information? We have 25. The one in color, okay? I'm talking about the one in color. We have 25 bits. And in the end, we have only one bit. Then, in order to connect this one bit to the 25 bits here, we have to have middle bits. And I explained already last time that that is the entropy, the hidden information. And the singular numerical relativity is very good at that, demonstrating how we will go and how many steps we will go through. And those steps are dictated by one formula only that gave us this number 25. So we will know how many levels we have to go down before we kick this bit here, which is the singularity. So it is very clear. We are going to explain, and this singularity here, you can calculate it based on this formula here. You will know it. So we have touched the singularity. The singularity is no longer a secret. We have 25 bits connected to 1 bit. If you change only the value of this bit here, all of these will change. And that's where the entanglement of quantum bits is going to play. Because all these bits, as you see them here, they have a spin power. So they can spin just what we explained in quantum physics. We talk about the quantum bits. All of these are quantum bits. So they have a spin power. Can go up, down, left, right, between, anywhere. It can strike. So this is a very good news. Very good news. So are you going to let this down, or are you going to accept it simply by calling me? I will explain. This is my mission. I'm going to explain it to you. I'm here because of that, and this is the time to solve this mystery behind the singularity. We have touched the singularity. Please listen to me, and you will see what I'm talking about. The singularity here is a number, and when we get this number, I will show you how to process this number, and it will give you various values here, because these values here are not there by random. No, there is no what you call probability. No, here it is precision. We will know exactly how much is here, how much here, 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 and everywhere. And all of these, they have formulas. If you want to know, like this, how much information is on this blue, how much information is on this green, on the yellow, on the brown, and the purple, you will know all in detail. Because when we process this singularity, the singularity here cannot connect directly to the 25 bits here. And this, I'm talking about 25 bits only. But you must know, as I said last time, that there can be trillions of bits, if you like. And all can be connected to only one bit. I will show you how to process the information from the singularity to appear in these portions without error. No infinites. Everything is precise, clear. So please, let's welcome these mathematics because they are so beautiful. It is something new that we have not known yet in mathematics. Using only numbers, and we come to reveal all these mysteries of the universe. So please, my dear scientists and all the scholars there, take your responsibility. I am not a professor. I am not. I am nothing. But I have this. And you know the meaning of nothing in physics. That sometimes nothing means everything. So I would like to invite you to really check, investigate. Do not be afraid. You will be the winners because many of you have made predictions about this, and you know what I mean. When you have made a prediction that has been proven right, you understand what I mean. So thank you very much for listening.